Hey YouTube, it's Johnson 23351. This means like. If you dislike, that's alright, but like. And subscribe, follow, comment. You get a video response, I'll watch it. I'll do the same if you do the same with me. So, yeah. I haven't been on that a long time on my phone, so, on my Android. So, what kind of apps do you have on your iPhone, iPod, iPad, phone, Android, Samsung Galaxy, Galaxy Note, anything like that? What do you have? Sorry about my voice. So, yeah, kind of, my flash is bright. Real bright. See, that's how bright it is when something yellow. And this is the green. See, it takes on. This is the white. So, yeah. So, yeah. Bye.